Welcome back. Energy, the worst performing S&P sector over the past 3 months. Options traders, though, betting on one name that's already up 10% in a week. Jon and Pete at the Telestrator with unusual activity. Jon, you're up first, and we're talking about Schlumberger, SLB.
Exactly. It's coming off a pretty nasty decline, Judge. You see that as it came from $78 last year and all the way down into the 30s. Now we're seeing it rebound somewhat, and people are betting that it's going to see more rebound. Why? Because 10,000 calls trade at the February 4250 call strike. So these are out a little bit more than a month into the future. They bought these calls for, I think, about $1.35 or something like that. Cheap shot for a big move to the upside, and I think they're right. The DOE drawdown was not as much as people were looking for, and still we've got crude oil up over 51. I like this one. I'll probably be in it about 30 days. Second trade, Bunge. Take a look at BG here, because in this one, ag plays, so FERTs and all the rest, anything in ag, and these guys are up 76 cents right now. It's a $56 stock. What are they buying? 65 strike calls. So you look at these out into the future, April 65, so you have a full quarter out there into the future. I bought these calls, Scott. I'll probably be in them 2 months.
Pete, you're talking energy too for starters, right?
Well, we've been talking to some materials, and now today, the two of us both with energy, same sort of space. Take a look at Halliburton. What they did today, I'm going quick because I know we got to get running. The February 30 calls, very aggressively bought also. These were about 10,000 of these bought. So we're seeing, John saw, it might even be the same trader, just positioning themselves in different energy type names. I like what we saw here. I actually bought the stock. I'm going to actually start selling upside calls against this position because I think there's plenty of more upside coming for Halliburton. They're just buying the 30s. Well, it's basically dang near there right now. So I think the opportunity for this to maybe revisit some of these levels is pretty interesting. I got a real quick one for you, Scott. We talk about retail all the time on the show. We haven't talked about it as much, and that's really been moving lately. It's been an incredible move off these lows. Take a look at Target. What are they doing today? They're buying the January 71 calls, but even bigger, they're buying over 5,000 of these January 72 calls.
Who's they?
So
you?
Somebody a lot bigger than me, but when I see this kind of institutional size buying coming in, that's pretty intriguing because there's a lot of money going into these trades. I already own Target. I actually added to Target, so I'm in both these names. I like what we're seeing today.